Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Coursive. In order to do so, first off, head to coursive.io, and once you're here, you will be prompted to answer a few questions before you can proceed. So we're going to go ahead and just take this step by step so that you know what to expect if you want to get into the Coursive courses. So let's go ahead and we're just going to click a few buttons here and we'll just click continue. And as you can see, the questions are pretty straightforward, and we can just click through each of the questions, whatever is appropriate for your position. Fairly straightforward, not too many surprises. There are a few questions though. So you can see here at the top that we're going to have to answer a few questions before we get through this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this on pause. We'll just answer these questions, and you can go through the same process. And then once we get to the end, we'll go ahead and come back. Okay. And once you have answered those questions, then you should be brought to a page that looks like this. And if you're unfamiliar with Coursive, this is a program that will start you on your AI journey. Basically, it'll take you through some of the top tools with AI and teach you about AI software in general. And so if that sounds like something interesting to you, then you can take a look at Coursive. It is going to be a subscription, so just bear that in mind. And you can see here that we can click on Get My Plan, and we'll choose here which one we want to do, which is either the 4-week plan or the 12-week plan. And you can see that that works out to about 71 cents a day. And looks like for the first 4 weeks is going to be $20 and then $40 every 4 weeks until you cancel. So let's go ahead and click on Get My Plan. And you can see here now that in order to proceed, we are going to need to pay with either PayPal or credit card. So that's up to you. If Coursive is the right direction for you, then by all means, you can do that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.